Hey, Ben here again with another unboxing video, this time the Teltonika RUT901 4G cellular router. So in the box we have the wall power supply. This comes with a range of different adapters for the different regions. We're in Australia, so we'll use the Australia and New Zealand one, and it simply slots in, and 2 meters of cable on the wall adapter. There are 2 mobile and 2 Wi-Fi antennas. So they're all similar to that. And that's the 4 antennas. We have a 1.5 meter Ethernet cable, so that straight out of the box you can hook up your laptop and configure the router. And we have the router itself. So the RUT901 comes with 4 Ethernet ports. It's configured with the first 3 as LAN and the 4th as WAN out of the box, but you can reconfigure that so you've got 4 LAN ports. We have the power connector and the signal strength and cellular indications. And on the other end we have our 2 SIM cards. It's dual SIM, and we have our 4 antenna ports and a reset button. We have a quick start guide and nano and micro SIM card adapters, so that if you have a nano or a micro SIM you can use that reliably in the router, and of course a SIM puller for getting those SIMs in and out. So that's what comes in the box with the Teltonika RUT901. Thanks for watching.